Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Boat Rockers 450 on-ear wireless headphones. So now let's look at the back of this box to see if we can see any more features. As you can see here, it comes with Google Assistant and Siri support. And on the side you can see that it has captivating sound with 40mm drivers as per the company, adaptive ear cups and headband, Bluetooth version 4.2 connectivity, up to 8 hours of music, which is battery life. It also has seamless integrated controls as per the company and voice assistant support. So now let's get into opening this box and looking at what we have here. So there you go, we've opened up the box. The first thing you can see is the headphones themselves. Inside here you also have a few extra accessories. Let's look at them right now. The first thing that you have is a micro USB charger. Let's set this aside so we can see it. The micro USB charger with a type A on one end and a micro USB on the other. It has a pretty long cable and quite a standard cable as well. The second thing we have in here is an aux cable. So you have 3.5 mm on both ends, and it is a pretty long aux cable by the looks of it, but the wire is a little thin. Next we have in here some documentation. So the first thing we have is a 1-year warranty card by Boat. Then we also have a product brochure, which is pretty common with all of their products. And then lastly, we have a user manual right here. So that's about all the accessories and the documentation that's inside the box. Let's look at the headphones themselves now. So let's take them out of their wrapping. Let's set the box aside and look at the headphones themselves. As you can see, these are on-ear headphones, so they're basically meant to envelop your ear and not sit over it like over ears. They're pretty solid earphones, pretty flexible. As you can see, there's a little bit of a plastic creaking when you extend it like this, but not too much, which is great. At the back here you can see we have the Boat logo and then a shiny metallic ring around it, which looks pretty nice. Here the ear cups can turn around 90 degrees, and you can also see that the ear cups are pretty plushy as well. They're soft, the foam is really plushy as well, so they should be quite comfortable on your ears. The headband right here also has foam, which is pretty soft as well. Here you can see that we have the right and the left indicator right here, and the headphones also extend so that they can fit even larger heads, and they have metal reinforcements inside. Now the next thing we can see right here is that we have the 3.5 mm port. We also have the micro USB port right here, as well as the buttons right here, which is the play pause button and the volume up and volume down button. On the left side ear cup, however, there are no controls. Now as you can see, the ear cups can actually move all the way back too, which make them slightly more compact and portable when you're just putting it in your bag. Other than that, they cannot fold up, but they do have this nifty mechanism where they just kind of sit inside and then take much less space. So there you go, that's about it for the unboxing of the Boat. So there you go, that's about it for the unboxing of the Boat Rockers 450 on-ear wireless headphones. Thank you so much for watching this video.